So today I'm going to show you this magic lace pattern, called magic lace because of the amount of stretch that it has in it. I came up with it for a cardigan pattern that I wanted to do in one size that fit many sizes. Stay tuned, I'm going to show you all about it. So here's a picture of said cardigan or jacket that I came up with. This one literally fit from a size UK 12 to a size UK 22. Same pattern, same stitch count, same everything. It's all because of the amount of stretch that's in the fabric. If you want to knit the actual cardigan, you can go over to my Patreon channel. I'm going to pop the address up there for you somewhere. And if you go on there and sign up as a free member, you can actually buy the pattern from there. So if you sign up as a paid member, that works out at around £5 a month, plus a little bit of tax in some countries, depending on where you are. So on there then, as a paid member, you've got access to all of my patterns that you would normally pay for on either Lovecrafts or Ravelry. You have access on the Patreon channel to all of those patterns for free. There's also little bits of chat, there's some how-to videos, there's some crochet along videos, all kinds of things. So pop over there and have a little look. So let's have a look at the pattern. It gives almost a mock cable look with these eyelets in between. And the reason it's got so much stretch in it is that on one row of the pattern we do lots of yarn forwards, and we don't reduce those yarn forwards until 2 rows ahead. So I'll get the pattern, let's have a look and show you exactly what I mean by that. So to start with, we've knit our rib, and as a foundation row on the wrong side we knit 1 full purl row. Then we're ready to start our pattern repeat. It's only a 4-row pattern repeat. It's really easy. Once you get into the rhythm of it, you can just kind of watch telly, read a book, do all kinds of stuff while you're doing it. Knitted on 7mm needles like the cardigan is, in chunky yarn, it grows really quickly. I did the whole jacket, including working out, in less than a week, just in the evenings. So here we go. So row 1. So the first row is, we're going to knit 1, yarn forward, knit 3, yarn forward, 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 knit 1. That's row 1 done, and as you can see we've got quite a lot more stitches on now than we started with because of all those yarn forwards. second row and all subsequent alternate rows, so all wrong side rows, are always just purl all the way across the row. So we're going to purl into these. Where the yarn forward is, you'll see we've got a little loose loop there. We're going to purl into that loop. So we've still got quite a few more stitches on here than we started with. You've got no need to use double point needles like I am. The only reason I'm using these is because they're very short and I wanted to be able to get everything underneath the camera so that you could see what I'm doing. It's also slightly awkward for me knitting at this angle because I'm actually standing up and I'm knitting at arm's length, so it's slightly awkward, but we'll get there. I normally knit a lot faster than this. So the third row is knit 2, then we're going to slip 2 stitches purlwise, knit 1, and those 2 stitches that we slipped, we're going to pass those over that knit stitch. Knit 3, slip 2 stitches purlwise, knit 1, pass those stitches over. Knit 3, slip 2 stitches purlwise, knit 1, pass the stitches over. Knit 3, slip 2 stitches purlwise, knit 1, pass those stitches over. Knit 2. And the fourth row and final row of the repeat is purl 1 row. And then all we do is keep repeating those. Split that yarn because I'm working at the arm's length. I can't even say it. I would be able to do this an awful lot better if I'd remembered to put my glasses on as well. Oh dear. You can see this is only literally 1 pattern repeat, and you can see already how much this has grown in 1 pattern repeat. So let's do those rows again. So row 1 of the pattern repeat is knit 1, yarn forward, knit 3, yarn forward, 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 knit 1. Next row purl. Again, you'll have to excuse me being a little bit, in the UK we call it cack-handed. So that's what I am. I'm a bit cack-handed today because, like I said, this is at arm's length. I've got the setup here. Mostly the how-to videos I do are on crochet, and the setup actually works really well for that, with me sitting down and crocheting, but for knitting it doesn't work quite so well. I'll have to sort that out and come up with another way of doing it. So row 3, knit 2, slip 2 purlwise, knit 1, pass those 2 slip stitches over that knit stitch, knit 3, slip 2 stitches purlwise, knit 1, pass those 2 slip stitches over, knit 3, slip 2 purlwise, knit 1, pass those slip stitches over, knit 3, slip 2 purlwise, knit 1, pass slip stitches over, knit 2, and then the final row of you repeat is purl. So every time you're working on the wrong side row, that's always a purl. There's a few little notes on the pattern about when we're doing decreases. So if ever we want to decrease a stitch, whether it's on the front or the back side, ignore the yarn forwards. And you just heard the bingy bongy go off there. I was certain I'd turned it off, but I haven't. Typical. And there we have the pattern. So it works out like this. And that's the magic lace pattern that's used on the magic lace cardigan. Go over to the Patreon site and have a little look over there. I'm going to put the address up there for you where you can buy the pattern, or if you're a member of the Patreon site, you get that pattern included in your membership. Like I said, there are other patterns on there as well. So if you've liked the video, please like and subscribe. It really does help out the channel. It does something to the YouTube algorithm, which means that it's telling the algorithm that people are interested in the content, and therefore it recommends the videos to lots of other people. So it doesn't cost anything. People often get confused because it uses the word subscribe. They think that you've got to pay something. You actually don't. It's subscribed for absolutely free. And then what happens is every time I post a new video, you'll get a little notification to say there's one there if you want to pop over and have a look at me waffle on like I tend to do. So that's been that. It's been lovely having you along with me once again in my studio here in central UK. So in the meantime, happy yarn smithing, love as always, and I'm going to see you really soon. Bye bye.